And here's another 1911 for you.
This will look perfect in my safe.
And a complimentary fortune cookie with every purchase.
You get these things anywhere these days. We'll see what it says. That's free.
And a free Glock with every purchase.
The Glock's not the best. No, it's not. No, the 1911 is the best pistol ever made. This is bullshit. You can't get me with your commie tricks. Bullshit.